Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford Bronco Sport Outer Banks. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a lovely 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with that lovely tow hitch receiver, rear park sensing, backup camera. We do get a lovely manual lift glass, allows you to have easier access to your cargo, or you can leave it open for some air, totally up to you. Roof rails, mud flaps on the rear and front, blind spot detection, with a lovely remote start, which is perfect for the cold winter months, and license plate bracket, and that nice Bronco grille. Taking a look in the back here, we do get quite a bit of cargo space with a cargo area protector. We do get cubby holes on either side, 12-volt, hooks and doodads with lights so you can see better. Can collapse your last row if you need additional storage. You got a light for your lift gate as well. More hooks and doodads on that side. And moving this up, we do get quite a bit of storage underneath with a full-size spare tire. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice brown leather, black leather, gray cloth interior, floor mats, carpet interior, plenty of door space in the back with the leathering on the door, rear vents, 110-volt outlet, USB and USB-C, and of course you can slide this out for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same cloth and leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, your B&O sound system, memory seating for up to 3 drivers, lift gate, lights, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 19,170 kilometers. We do get that lovely leather-wrapped steering wheel. It's also heated, toggle-free screen, voice, phone, and media, volume mute, and cruise control. Looking here, we got our fuel economy, we got settings, phone, audio, select screens, digital speedometer in the lower right there, all that fun. To my right, we got our gear select, parking brake, auto hold, goat modes, cup holders, more storage here with a wireless charging pad outlets, and a 12-volt. Storage here with some outlets. Dual climate up front with heated front seats and steering wheel. A little storage here. Engine starts up, auto stop, auto start, hazards, tune, media, storage below. A little B&O sound system right there as well. Garage door transmitter. And looking here, we have our audio, compass, and phone. For your audio, you do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, SiriusXM, phone controls. Any apps you may download will show up right in here. Settings such as Ford Pass, Vehicle, Android Auto, Display, Valet Mode, and all that fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is MA05749A, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.